Ready to say goodbye to stormwater woes? Let's make it happen. Flooding around your home can cause serious headaches from erosion to rising dampness. And with climate change, it's only getting worse. The results from poor drainage don't let your loved ones be a statistic. Investing now can save in the long run. Are you suffering from having a narrow house block with minimal and hard access? Probably knowing to dig in a drainage system would be impossible. Well, I'm here to tell you we have solutions. Don't worry. Our team of experts at Logistical Trader are here to help. Clicking on the subscribe or go to the link at the top right of your screen. Fill out a stormwater quotation booking form. Then paying a small fee ensures a team member to come out and inspect the job at hand, and will run over the logistical criteria needed. We walk you through the steps, tackling them stormwater problems head-on. Our professionals use advanced techniques like precision mini excavators to ensure your drainage system is top-notch. Take the first step by saying goodbye to mold and health concerns. No more hidden fungi spores, wreaking havoc on your family's well-being. Addressing these issues promptly can save you big bucks in the long run. Lower insurance premiums, fewer doctor visits, and a healthier home. Sounds great, right? We offer a comprehensive lump sum quote to eliminate your stormwater problems before the next downpour. And with 75% paid up front, you can count on swift and efficient service. So why wait? Eliminate that backyard excess water. Protect your home, your health, and loved ones with our professional team at Logistical Trader, servicing Greater Sydney, your stormwater management services. Don't put it off any longer. Make the first step by clicking the link below and say goodbye to muddy yards and hello to a peace of mind.